Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Oh my god, today is a huge announcement for Disney. If you're a big Disney fan and you live in Southern California, you haven't heard the news, you need to stay tuned and watch my video. But before we do that, let's talk about my skincare brand Yibu Beauty. Let's take a look. Think about Yibu Beauty Mooncast Multitasking Tinted Moisturizer. Did you know each bottle of Mooncast contains over 90% skin-loving ingredients, and there's only a little bit of a pigment in there, so we were able to match the skin from the lightest to darkest, almost to everyone. And if you want to purchase Mooncast Multitasking Tinted Moisturizer, please visit at www.yibubeauty.com. Alright, let's get to today's topic right here. What is the big news for Disney in Disney Resort in Southern California? That is at 1 o'clock today, or I think around 1 o'clock today, they have announced what we're all anticipating, waiting for like over a year, that annual pass has been upgraded and renewed to, it's called, hold please, Magic Key program. So I'm going to show you a couple slides, explain to you which the tier, how much they are, what is the monthly payment, what are the benefits, and at the end I'm going to share with you my plan, which key I'm going to purchase. Okay, so this program is called Magic Keys, and there are 4 different tiers. Let's go from the beginning tier to the most valuable tier. And the beginning tier is called Enchant Key, and that is $399 for entire 12 months. You can do a monthly installment. What you need to do is after putting $179 down payment, then you only pay $19 per month for 12 months. That's Enchant Key. So what are the benefits for this key? Let's take a look. So it says right here, reservation-based admission to one or both theme park, select dates of a year. Available for Southern California resident only. By the way, all this is really for the residents. So for the out-of-towner, sorry about that. And you can up to 2 park reservation at the time. They will offer you 10% for merchandise and 10% for food and beverage. By the way, anytime you see 10% or whatever discount they offer for food and beverage, they are really for the sit-down restaurant or inside restaurant. The one outside in the little car, you don't get discount. Alright, so that is the Enchant Key. I don't see what are the day being blocked, but from my past experience, I can tell you that if you're paying the beginning, if you're paying the starting program, they will block a lot of dates for you. But I'll be honest with you, right now currently ticket is selling about $100. So if you're thinking about $400 a year, if you just go there more than 4 times, you get your money back. Plus you get 10% off. So it's not bad at all. Let's look at the next one up. It's called Enchanted Key. This one is almost double the price, $649 for 12 months, and you can do a monthly installment too. What you need to do is $179 down payment, then it's a $40 per month for 12 months. For the Enchanted Key, you can up to 4 park reservation hold at a time, 10% for merchandise and 10% for food. So personally, I don't understand what is the difference between 2 park reservation at a time versus a 4 park. Because if you have the key, you must live nearby in Southern California. So you don't really need to plan that in advance. Plus, right now it's pretty easy to make reservations. I mean, I don't think you can make reservation for the day. I never done that. But if you plan for like a week in advance, it's okay. So to me, that is really not a big draw for me, because at least I live so close. So, it's funny, I know they just dropped this information right now. In the past, it will actually tells you like, if you buy this membership, you can go 150 days in a year. or 200 days for year. It actually give you the dates. I think that maybe somewhere down below we need to take a look, or there will be more announcement to announce later. Okay, so let's look at the next one called Believe Key. That's $949. Whoa, sounds a lot, but it's actually not too bad because you can reserve up to 6 par reservation at the time, and 10% off select merchandise, 10% off food and beverage. Whoa! You also, not you, they also offer 50% of a theme park parking. That's a really good deal though. I think right now it's about $22, something like that. So if you go there, like say that 10 times, you save $1,000. Wait, you save $100. So that's actually not too bad. Again, the down payment is $179. Then you will pay $65 each month for 12 months. And the next one up, the highest key is called Dream Key. That is $1,399. So check this out. You can reserve up to 6 par reservation at the time. Oh, okay, this is the best part. Are you ready? You get 20% off on select merchandise. So the Believe Key, you only get 10%. Did you get, honestly, if you are a big Disney fan, you want to go shop, 10% versus 20% make it really different. Give a quick example. If you buy $100, you can get $20 off. Ooh, I don't know. That sounds really exciting. And you get 15% off and food and beverage. What? Theme park parking included. Oh my God. Well, what am I going to do? So this is the deal. When I first look at this full program right away, I told myself I'll probably get a Believe Key, the $949. The reason why in my past experience was that I don't want to go to Disney on the weekends. Oh, I don't want to go to Disney on the major holiday because there's so many people. I like to go to Disney on the weekday, like Monday to Thursday, a non-holiday. So this way I can explore the park and do what I want to do, less people. So for that reason, it's not smart for me to buy the most expensive membership. But look at this 4 key. What do you think that you are interested in? Honestly, I feel like $399, $19 a month, $179, it's not bad at all. I don't really care about the parking because I usually just Uber there because I'm so lucky. I Uber both ways, it's gonna cost me $20. So it's actually cheaper, faster than park and walk really far. So $399 was really, really good deal. Oh my God, this is really hard to make decision. So let's look at this right now. So it says right here, become a magic key holder starting August 25th. How many days away from now? 22 days from now. See, I can do that math. In 22 days, you can become a key member. Oh my God. So let's see. It's starting August 25th, no earlier than 10 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. Then the guests will be able to purchase their preferred magic key pass type, their first opportunity to unlock a visit to Disneyland Park or Disney California Adventure Park with a theme park reservation will be at the same day. So what they mean is, if Mr. Janine One purchased the Magic Key Pass at 10 a.m., I can make reservation on August 25th and go to the park, and then I maybe get something special. Oh my God, I'm freaking out right now. This is so amazing. Okay, one thing is very important that even if you purchase the Magic Key, you still need to make reservation before you enter the park. That's not going to change. And that's really to control the number of people in the park. So I am really want to know that, I know a lot of you guys go to Disney, and I want to know which key you'll be purchasing. And let me know which key do you think I should be purchased, because I'm really torn right now. The only reason I'm thinking about getting the Dream Key is because of 20% merchandise. But am I gonna buy that much stuff on Disney? Oh my god, how much money did I spend on Disney before pandemic? I didn't really spend that much honestly though, because I think I spent about $1,000, $2,000 on merchandise the year before, and I was getting 20% off already. So that's about $400. I don't know. I don't know. Decision. Because I honestly, I was thinking about to get Enchanted Key, $649, because I don't really need to make 6-part reservation at a time. There will be less day available than Believe Key, the $949. But like I said earlier, I don't need to go there on weekends. So I was thinking about Enchanted Key. But see, if I buy Enchanted Key and I know what to do. I am so smart. Hold please. The drink key is $1,399 minus the Enchanted Key $649. So I save $750. And that means I can spend $750 by merchandise. That sounds very good. So yeah, this is a really exciting day for the Disney fans in Southern California. As you guys know that I started filming a lot more Disney, and so this is the deal. Not tomorrow. On Thursday, what day is Thursday? Hold please. Thursday, today. Okay, Thursday is August the 5th. August the 5th, I have a reservation, go to California Adventure, and I'm gonna go there to film a lot of content and go see the Adventure campus. And then my next reservation is in August the 10th. I'm going back to Disneyland. And after that, my next reservation was gonna be on September the 14th because I bought Oogie Boogie Bash. This is the first time I purchased that, so I'm really excited to go there on September the 14th, and that's gonna be hosted at Disney California Adventure. So those are the 3 Disney pass I purchased already. So yeah, I don't know. This is really like, now I'm not stressed out. I just don't know which key should I buy. Should I just buy the bullet, buy a dream key, $13.99? Yeah. I don't care about the 6-part reservations. Honestly, if I get that, I probably wouldn't Uber because that's kind of dumb. I just drive there to save money, right? Each time I go, I save $20. If I go 10 times, I save $200. Because I have 2 nieces and we all need to go together, so. Okay, so let me know again which key that you think I should purchase and which key you'll be purchased. And I think that for those of you who love Disney, have the Magic Key Pass in the future, we should definitely meet up and we can go together, we can film content together. I love Disney, it's just gonna be so fun. Every time I go to Disney, I just feel like all the stresses go away and I'm really in a good mood. And when you feel good, everything is possible in life. So that's why I love Disney. Plus, Disney is really great content for my channel because somebody is doing daily video right now. Oh my god, that's crazy. Alright, so I will see you guys tomorrow. I hope you liked today's video. If you like it, give this little video a like, leave a comment, share the video, and subscribe my YouTube channel. I'll see you later. Bye!